Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a screen recorder called AnyMp4 Screen Recorder. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm just gonna type in the Google search page AnyMp4 Screen Recorder and hit enter. There you go. This is the website for AnyMp4.com. I'm just gonna visit the site. So this is the website for AnyMp4.com, and as you can see, we've got H3 screen recorder for Windows and Mac to record any kind of screen activity. So before getting into the actual recorder itself, I'm just gonna look at the buy now, and there you go. This is the pricing for AnyMp4 screen recorder. 1 month license is $19.96. The lifetime license is $49.96, and the business license is up to 5 PCs and $99.96. So this is for the Windows pricing, and for the Mac we've got different pricing. So as you can see, I think it's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So as you can see guys, there's 20% off here. You can actually try and buy this AnyMp4 screen recorder. But before that, I would like to talk about the product itself. So I'm just going to click on the product here, and as you can see, there is a screen recorder, there is a Blu-ray player, there is a Blu-ray ripper, and there is a DVD ripper. We won't be using Blu-ray ripper and DVD ripper, so I'm just gonna try installing the screen recorder. So I'm just gonna click for Windows here, and we are back at the page, and I'm going to choose Windows. Here you can actually switch between Mac and the Windows, so I'm just gonna choose Windows and then click on free download, and I'm going to download it. Alright guys, the .exe file has been downloaded now. I'm going to click here. Alright, this is the installation wizard for AnyMp4 screen recorder. I'm going to choose the language to English and then click install. Alright guys, the installation is complete, so I'm just gonna, okay, installation succeeded, so I'm just gonna close it and try and open the app now. I'm just gonna click on start now. There you go. So this is the free version. As you can see, in the trial version there's going to be 3 minutes of video recording that we can do, and we cannot edit it. We cannot include noise cancellation for our microphone. We can enable screen capture without watermark, which is fantastic guys, and then we can actually upgrade to get a free technical support. Alright, so I'm just going to click on free trial here, and as you can see, this is the UI for AnyMp4 screen recorder guys. So here we have different options, but before going there, I just wanted to tell you I use PepperCloud as my daily driver guys. The PepperCloud screen recorder is a fantastic screen recorder for recording our screen and our camera, and helps us to stream via different social media sites. And also we have unlimited free storage, which is fantastic guys, and we have an option to actually edit the videos, trim, cut, and set up thumbnails, which is also fantastic. And we can share our videos through individual groups created through email IDs or through any social media that we like. So I suggest you try it out guys. I have included the link in the description, please check it out. Alright, back to the screen recorder. So here we've got 3 different options to record our video, to record our audio, and to record a game. So if I just click on the game recorder here, I can just select the game by just selecting the window, which is super easy guys. And we can set up the webcam, we can set up the sound as well, but we are not going to go there. I'm gonna show our window recorder. So here we can actually set up a window, or we can just press escape to go back and choose, yeah. So here we are. So we are in the video recorder. So video recorder here means the screen recorder. So I'm just gonna either select just to actually select the area that I want to record, or just click on the full screen to actually select the full screen. And here I could actually opt to select multiple displays if I have multiple displays over here. And if I can choose a camera, I can actually set up my camera over here, and all I have to do is just click on the settings here, and there you go guys, my webcam has been included. And here I can actually choose my other cameras if I have one, and I can actually choose whether the webcam feed should be a rectangle or circle or ellipse. I choose circle, so this looks fantastic guys. And I could actually set up the opacity, and I can also change the orientation to left or right and top to bottom like this, which is fantastic guys. And also we could set up this where it should be, so I like it at the bottom right, and then I'm gonna click on OK. So webcam is set up, and all I have to do is switch on this camera and place it here. So in case if I want to reduce the size, I can actually reduce the size. All right, fantastic guys. And also I've included the system sound, and now I want to switch on the microphone. And microphone, I can actually set up noise cancellation, but it is not present in the free trial version, which is a bummer guys. All right, so when we talk about other settings, here we've got a mouse settings. So here we can actually set up our show mouse cursor, and then record mouse clicks and record mouse area. So I can just choose a color to actually record the clicks, and also to record the mouse area to be yellow, and then hit OK. All right, so here we've got an option to actually it is a shortcut to start the recording, and here is an option to actually go to the preferences once again to the output. So we'll talk about it later when we look at the settings. And here we've got an option of our sound settings. Again, we'll look at the settings. All right, so when I click on the settings tab, as you can see, we have recording settings, we have output settings where we could set up the directory where the output of our video should go, and we could set up the frame rates. And also when it comes to sound, we could set up the system sound, how much volume should be recorded, to enable noise cancelling, which is not available. Also we can actually check the sound, and under camera settings we can actually set up the camera settings here as well, which we have seen already. So again, I'm going to hover over to the settings and click on the mouse, which we have seen already. You know, everything is present outside as well, so there's not much in the settings guys. So when it comes to hotkeys, we can set up hotkeys for each of our maneuver in the software itself. And when you click on more, there we've got auto screen capture mode, and we can actually select the encoding for actually recording the screen, which is fantastic guys. So I'm just gonna click on OK, and I'm gonna start recording you guys. So I'm just gonna click on record to start the recording. There you go, the recording has started you guys. It's fantastic. So as you can see, there is a bottom bar here, and as you can see here, we've got the clicks recorded, as you can see here, right? And also we've got a nice little mouse highlighter, and also here is an option to take screenshot. Here is an option to actually set up the time limit, and here when we click the briefcase icon, we can actually annotate. We can either choose a pencil to annotate, or we can use different options like line, ellipse, rectangle. I just show you the rectangle. I can just make a rectangle. These are the annotation guys. Here we could set up the brush sizes. Here we can actually undo and redo things, and we can actually delete everything. We can actually clear the page. This is fantastic guys. And also we can include an image by clicking here, and we can create a zoom magnifier in our videos. And also we could set up focus on all other areas. The focus won't work. So see, if I set up the focus, as you can see guys, here I could actually set up the focus, which is fantastic guys. All right, so there you go guys. So I'm gonna stop the recording since I've told everything to you guys. There you go, the recording has started you guys. It's fantastic. So as you can see, there is a bottom bar here, and as you can see here, the output is also fantastic, and we've got a niche recording. So I'm going to click on, and here as you can see there is a little bit timeline over here, and we can just set up the start time and end time only. So I'm just going to click on done, and I'm going to save anyway, and there you go, we've got our saved video in our tray. So this is a pretty simple screen recorder, guys. We have seen similar screen recorders before, and actually we have an option to transfer to iOS device, convert and enhance the recording, and also we have an option to burn this video to a DVD, which is fantastic, guys. So with that, I would like to end this video here. So that's AnyMp4 screen recorder for you guys. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this screen recorder, and until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.